Welcome to the 5th edition of IAM Future Chef Goa 2017, where young chefs will try their hands on to impress our judges and stand a chance to win the title. The stage is set, the preparations are ready. The students and faculty are up to welcome all the participants of IAM Future Chef Goa. Some smiling, some under pressure as they all walk towards the registration desk assisted by IAM students before they walk towards the briefing room, where Chef Sangeeta is at the helms of affair to make all the participants comfortable. From the briefing room, they now head straight to the finale area. IAM. Settled against the picturesque backdrop of a sprawling 22-acre over a hillock, IAM made a special presence in the western part of the country. IAM has its campus at the fully operational IndiSmart Woodburn Resort. Standing within a picturesque surrounding, its landscape garden and swimming pool offers fully furnished 6 luxury villas and 28 super deluxe rooms with laundry service and 24-hour room service. Students studying in Goa have complete access to real-life hotel operations, which adds to their educational qualification. Before the young chefs decide a career out in cooking, they need someone to encourage their culinary skills, and they have the chance to get a steamy start to this cooking career right here. Life at IAM is different. That's what its students are out to do, make a difference.
IAM in Goa started in 2004, but IAM had started in 1989 in Kolkata, and from there we have spread to Goa as well as Guwahati. Goa, we had originally started in North Goa, but we shifted to this campus in 2008, and ever since then it has been a very, very popular institute and a very well-known institute in South Goa. Students have a very holistic life, I should say, over here in IAM, because it is not only studies, we all have a lot of activities also here. Within the campus, we have our own dance floor, our swimming pool, our volleyball court, and we also encourage our students to participate in a lot of activities where they do participate in a lot of games and sports and in the national level, and we appreciate that and we encourage them to do that along with their studies. It is not only that we want them to be a good hotelier, we want them to be good individuals. And we always help them to do their studies, to do their develop their skills in this hospitality industry, and also be a good individual as overall as a student. We have a curriculum which is spread over 3 years, where they study in the first year, in the second year they go for an internship, and in third year they finally come back and do the specialization. We make them very confident because we have a lot of events during the entire 3 years, and these events give them a lot of exposure in their practical life, gives them the opportunity to develop their skills, and finally make them a confident individual.
I am pursuing my bachelor's in catering science or hotel management, and recently we have come back from our internship. We get a lot of exposure to different sorts of hotels, not just in Goa but in different parts of India. After we came back, we had got a lot of exposure in handling a lot of events, that too solely and individually. We had got a lot of support from all our teachers, and the teachers in this institute, they're really friendly and they never back down to support you. They're always ready to make sure that you progress. And we, apart from academics, we have a lot of co-curriculum activities. We even have a swimming pool, which helps us have fun as a whole batch and a whole college. And if suppose you would like to pursue hotel management, this is the best place for you to come.
IAM Future Chef saw an intensive screening. Students were selected across Goan schools to participate in the finals here on the serene campus. The participants are all geared up to showcase their culinary skills and stand a chance to win 1 lakh rupees. In the next couple of episodes, we will get to be part of their journey to being IAM Future Chef Goa 2017. So stay tuned for a culinary delight. The door is open and here comes the first batch of prospective future chefs entering the arena. This is where the best will battle it out to freeze their place in the grand finale. But not before we set the rules for the competition. Chef Sangeeta has the final word before all our participants set to conquer their dreams.
So what we're going to be doing is, all of you, once we start, we give you the time. What we have to do is, we have to get and fetch your ingredients along with your buddy from the pantry behind. You see there? That's the glass door, that's the pantry behind. So what we have to do is, you have to go, run, get your things, come in your place and start cooking. Just have a look what all things have been placed. The masalas are there on the table, the refined oil is there on the table, the water which you're going to be using for cooking is also on the table. Anything else you require like grater and rolling pin, please ask your buddy. Yes, everyone can ask their buddy where it is, they're going to be helping you around. Is there any questions for me? Anyone? Anyone got any questions for me? Participants, you have got any questions for me? Okay, so let's start with the competition. We start the first group of the day. Wish you a very good luck, all of you.
Once the rules are clear, it's ready, set, go, as they all head towards pantry area. Of all the hustle bustle, participants need to be clear on the required ingredients. The buddies in the pantry are there to help them. After fetching their ingredients, it's time to work their magic.
You got 1 hour of time to finish everything.
After Chef Sangeeta's instructions, there is no time to look back. All the participants start to cook their dish.
All of you, let's be a little faster. Everyone needs to present your food as well in the given time. Contestant, you got another 20 minutes. The countdown has already started for the final presentation.
The clock ticks and the tension seems to pile with every passing second. The rush takes the toll on the participants. And now the toughest part, evaluating. Chef Sangeeta and Chef Bhushan will have to look closely at every dish and the hard work behind it. This evaluation will stand a chance to be in the semi-finals of IAM Future Chef Goa 2017. The job might be tough, but so are our judges. One by one, participants get through the grilling process of judging, and only the best will survive in this battle.
What are you making today? Hyderabadi sheer korma.
गोवा से हो आप? लखनऊ से हो? वाह, क्या बिरयानी बन रहा है क्या? नहीं नहीं.
What's your name? Frinoy. Amazing. Where are you from? Raya. Raya. So what are you making today? Lemon chicken. Wow.
You're making a chicken biryani with pudding. What pudding you are making? Bread pudding. Very nice.
All good? What are you making today? Chicken masala.
Attention contestant, you got another half an hour time to go. Let's move fast. 25 minutes from now we will be closing the gases. So you have another 25 minutes actually to cook your food. 5 minutes for you all to present your food. Buddies, please help your contestant to do it a little faster.
They say cooking is an art, but it's also a science. Though chefs have their own touch to prepare the dish, it's also important to be precise when it comes to cooking temperature, ingredient proportions, and preparation time. It's not quite a highway to someone's plate. And so the judges are all geared up towards getting to know a dish, acquainting oneself with its flavor, its aroma, and the way it's cooked. So here comes our third batch and line up for the challenge. Some tense, some confident. They all stand up for the task. IAM Future Chef Goa 2017 is a chance to showcase their talent and head to the grand prize.
I know it must be, till now all butterflies are in your stomach must be. From morning we have already completed 2 batches. Now this is the third batch we are starting with. And I'm sure all of you know, little Shruti ma'am has already briefed you regarding little bit of what you're going to be doing today. So chef, we'll start.
Alright, best of luck all of you. Your countdown begins now. 3, 2, 1, go!
Judges take a close look at every movement of these young stars.
The Sika, right? Okay. What are you making? What biryani? Chicken biryani. Sairaj, what are you making?
Butter chicken.
Butter chicken. Wow. Saish, right? Saish, what are you making? Chicken kafrial. Akash, what are you making? Pulao. What pulao you are making? Huh? Goan pulao. Abid, what are you making?
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry. What is the green thing in there?
Chili.
Chilies.
Yes.
And anything else?
Chili and coriander powder.
Sajid, what are you making?
Chicken masala.
I got to see some nice chicken, vegetable already cut. Very good. Kelson, what are you making?
Kolhapuri chicken.
Kolhapuri chicken. Very nice.
Just 5 minutes to go.
Some basic, some exotic. The food cooked by the participants will go through some beta criticism and only the best will head to the semis. Last batch of day 1. Here they enter the arena.
Excited everyone? Okay, we got a big group after a long time. From morning we had 3 already groups which were quite small, but then this is a big group. And I'm sure that a lot of good things going to be coming out from most of you. As you all know, I think you guys have already been briefed by Shruti Chef that you will be getting 1 hour of time and then you have to make a dish, one dish of your choice with an accompaniment. The students of our college who are standing beside you are the buddies for the day, for all of you. Anything which they will definitely not going to be helping you for your making of the food, but they're going to be helping you to know this place where the things are. So you got 1 hour of time to present your food, which includes collecting of the ingredients, at the same time presenting your food. Last 5 minutes is for you to present your food.
Alright guys, your countdown begins now. 3, 2, 1, go!
Road to impress the judges will go through the pantry and then to the cooktops. This might be the last batch, but the excitement and passion is the same as the previous 3 batches. They are here to impress not the judges, but to the entire culinary world. Tensed faces, last minute running. IAM Future Chef Goa 2017 has it all as our participant battle to be the best. Of all the hassles, the participants stand a chance to impress the judges with their magic. Few minutes to face the judges. Day 1 of IAM Future Chef Goa 2017 has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride.
Saurav, you need to sort out. Her place is not sorted out. Things are not being clean. What are you making? Palak paneer and jeera rice. Very good. Very nice. You know how to make palak paneer? Yeah. Very nice. Who is making at home? You are trying it. Very good. Interesting, huh? Okay, the oil is just slow it down. Slow, slow. This side, that side. Yeah. Very good. Very good.
Alright, tell me what are you preparing?
I'm preparing Goan prawns twist chili fry. It's my own created dish.
What it is called?
Prawn twist chili fry.
Prawn squid chili fry.
Prawns twist chili fry.
Twist chili fry. Can you just give me a brief about your dish?
Yeah, first I'm gonna marinate my prawns with this turmeric powder, salt and this. Then I'm going to just.
How are you going to use this squid into that?
Yeah, I'll stuff this prawn chili fry into this.
All right.
Squeeze, and then I'll shallow fry.
Fine. Sounds good. Best of luck.
What are you making? What is it? Prawns mole. Really? Mole is one of the, a Goan dish. Goan pickled dish, right? Yeah, okay, so very good. And you're using what things you're using? Only prawns and masalas you already grinding. Okay. And what about the rice? Plain rice? Okay, very good. Where did you learn it? Prawns mole? From your mother. So she must be making nice pickles, huh? Very good. Nice, nice. What you are making? Chicken? Tikka. But then here how you going to be making the tikka? Where you going to be cooking? On the range itself? I mean on the induction? Very good. And steamed rice. You made it before? Okay. Very good. Good luck.
What are you making today?
Making a chicken curry like
Chicken 65 like chicken curry. All right. Do you want to name it something? Chicken 65 or chicken something?
red chicken.
Red chicken. Sure. Is it exactly red? Or a hint of orange also in it? No? Sure. Red chicken.
Hello. What are you making?
Making red chicken.
Red chicken. Okay. And?
The masala of body masala.
Very good. And what you are serving along with?
Chapati.
Chapati. Very. Usually it is had with chapati? No, I think rice. Rice. So why are you not making rice?
It's a time consuming.
Very good. Like that.
The process might be tough, but the participants are determined with their presentation.
Prawns twist chili fry. Butter paneer. Well seasoned it.
The judges are having a tough time judging the creations of the contestants, but they are being entrusted to get the best of IAM Future Chef Goa 2017. Of all the 800 testing sessions conducted across numerous schools in Goa, top 200 are chosen for quarterfinals on day 1 and day 2 of IAM Future Chef Goa 2017. Day 1 ends with 4 batches and numerous students presenting their best. The culinary ride is not over, as day 2 of the competition will see more budding chefs battle it out in one-of-a-kind culinary war, IAM Future Chef Goa 2017. Stay tuned for the next episode as we march towards a grand finale and crown the IAM Future Chef Goa 2017 winner.